Yeah. Welcome to Rich's Slot Car Room. TGITF, thank God it's Tyco Friday. We got a Super Pinto here on a Tyco Pro 2 chassis. Pretty cool car. Chrome wheels. Front bumper's chrome. Rear bumper, parachute on the back. Yeah. Alright, bring it right here. We'll check this bad boy out. Got a blower in the windshield, tinted windows, Super Pinto on the side, red lettering. Yes, sir. Let's put this bad boy in a dyno. Let's see what she does. It's starting to smooth out a little bit. Let's oil her up and put a little Earl on it. Real nice gear meshing, although the rear end isn't centered. I'm going to push her down. No, it's really not centered. Yeah. Well, now alright, let's put a little oil on it. Let's shine up these little button pickups. Put a little Novus on the body. $220. Probably get $225, $230 out of it. Yeah, nice nice and smooth. Yeah. Just squeak her a little bit. That's all. Yeah, she's running real smooth right now. Real smooth. Alright. Take her over to the track and take her for a few laps. Woo! Yeah, we know these things don't like the high banks, but if I run it just right, it should go through the bank. Yeah, just like that. Just like that. Woo! Yeah, pretty cool car. Super Pinto. Alright, there she is right there. I'm going to look her up here in the book for you guys. I know some of you are curious what it says. So am I, actually. I think it's a 71 Pinto. But I'm not 100% for sure. So we will look her up here. Where the Pintos are at, I have no clue. But I will find them. And when I do, I'll share it with you. And yeah, here it is. Right there she is, right there. And this car comes different ways, I'm pretty sure. This gremlin comes different ways. This one comes different ways. Yeah. Okay, 33 is the number. Super Gremlin. Yeah. Super Gremlin. Super Pinto, not Gremlin, Pinto. Super Pinto, yes. Different shades of blue. It came. White, blue, red, Super Pinto. Okay, I have a Tyco Pro 2, so mine was made in 75. Tyco Pro 2. Body, the part number is 8605. It's a 4. And you can get it in 72 to 74 with Tyco Pro. And you can get 76 with a curve hugger. So 75 was the only year you get a Tyco Pro 2. 1 year and 1 year. This one here was made up 2, 3, and 4. Super Pinto. There you have it. If you don't have one of these, you need to get one. Tyco HO slot cars. 3rd edition includes the Mattel years. There you have it. Super Pinto. She shines real nice. Not bad for a Pinto. Yeah. Appreciate you guys coming in. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Appreciate it. And today is Friday, TGIT up, and we'll be going live tonight. I will be building a This here is a Chevrolet Corvette C5R body. Yeah. So yeah, it's a newer pit kit. The magnets are already inside, so kids can't swallow them. Yeah. I'd like to know who the dumbass was who was sticking them in his mouth and swallowing them. Probably showing off, and his buddy punched him in his stomach and he swallowed it. Yeah, something like that. Something stupid. Yeah. And I appreciate you guys all coming in, checking it out. Like I said, if you haven't subscribed, I don't know why you're not. It's free. It doesn't cost you nothing to subscribe. You can subscribe to 50 channels, 150, 250 channels. And just scroll down on the left side. All the ones that have new videos on it have a little blue dot next to them. Real simple. It's not hard. Just hit that subscribe button. Hit the bell. Leave me a comment. Appreciate it. And, yeah. I'll be going live tonight building that pit kit. And, be selling a few more cars over there. If you guys are interested in any of them over there, think about it. And, I'll scan across them real quick here. And those two back there. Yeah. And General Lee.